Hello everyone, warm welcome from Akshar Katta. This will be the third video on the Devanagari series. Please check out first two videos. Before starting, there is small announcement. I think you are practicing well. For that you must have prepared your own sheet as guidelines. But for any reason, if you are unable to prepare your own reference sheets, here is the solution. On your request, I have prepared customized basic Devanagari practice sheet as you can see on your screen. For more information, you can DM me on Insta/WhatsApp or just put an email to aksharkatta20@gmail.com. For that, you can check out video description. So let's quickly jump on to the next group, which has the letter U, and Nya. But before that, check out first two videos of this series. The link is in the description. Make sure that prepare the sheet like this, which guides you for drawing the letters in the proportion. We shall begin with our basic stroke. I would like to mention that this one is my all-time favorite. For letter U, the upper stroke is starting just at the top line, that is the Shiroresha, not like A, which is overlying the Shiroresha. So that is the difference. Next, for letter Nya, which is Anunasik, you may skip this letter as we don't write it, rather we pronounce it. Okay, now I am drawing the letter at its full stroke. Just observe the direction of writing the each element of the letters. Always try to draw the letter in the proportion to retain their aesthetic value. So a lot of practice is required for that. Now group 5 is subdivided into the letter N, M, B and then T and L. So obviously it has two basic strokes. One for the set of N, M, B and another for T and L. Simply adding the vertical line to that basic stroke. Now drag another vertical line like this to make letter M and small hook at the top of letter M to get letter B. But remember, while drawing the individual letter, draw with its full stroke, maintaining its proper direction. Every letter has its own beauty. Keep always that in mind. If you have any suggestions or any difficulties while practicing the calligraphy, please feel free to ask in the comment section and you can share your experience with me. Just a small request, a lot of efforts are required for making such videos, so if you are really enjoying the videos and you learn something from it, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. because in future I'll be uploading such interesting and informative videos only for you. So hit that bell button also. Same goes with the and la. Here I have shown two different variations of letter L. Now coming towards the end of this video, our sixth group is of letter R, S, K, G and Sh. Once letter R is formed, there is nothing special in letter S. We just have to add a vertical stroke. S is ready. What if I say you have already drawn letter K? How? For letter K, put letter V from group 1 just to the right side of letter R. Just keep in mind that you maintain just tiny space between them. Last one is letter Sh. With that, we have just finished up to group 6 in this video. So stay tuned. Goodbye.